Let's say you're like me. You scroll through Instagram, YouTube, or any social media, and you see those type of setups. After looking at hundreds of them, you start to notice a pattern. Is it the studio displays, the desk shelves, or is it the monitor lights? No, it's the desk. Because the desk isn't just another accessory. It's the one thing that holds your entire setup together. I've always believed that the desk should be the first thing you invest in when building a new setup. So when I got hit up by FlexiSpot to receive the E6 standing desk, you already know I said yes. A lot of you have probably seen them all over social media, and they're super popular. Instead of upgrading my setup again, I decided to trust them with my dad's. The first thing you notice about his old setup is that the desk is small, cramped, and honestly doesn't feel solid. I also personally prefer wood over other materials. It feels warmer, higher quality, and way more inviting to actually work at. The glass top just wasn't it. And I genuinely wouldn't want to do work there. So if you're planning to buy or even build your own desk, my biggest advice is spend the extra money on size. Ideally, go as big as your setup allows. For my dad, I literally asked for the biggest size they had, and he does not regret it. At first, he was a little bit hesitant, but once he had all that extra space to breathe, he started loving it. It gives you the room to be creative, whether that's with your peripherals or just how you work. Notes on one side, camera on the other, and food in the middle. You can go as crazy as you want. The desk should never limit your work. The next thing to invest in is support and functionality. This is really where the FlexiSpot E6 really shines. It's an electric standing desk, so with a click of a button, you can adjust the height. There are 4 presets, but my dad mostly uses 2, one for sitting and one for standing. These are all programmable to the height you want, and it's fully customizable for your chair or whatever else you need. The legs themselves are actually heavy. It's rated to hold 330 pounds, so you never have to worry about monitors, peripherals, or whatever you want to put on the desk. And everything I've been talking about, you can see the same mindset with my own desk, which I built myself. I could have cheaped out and just gone with just legs, but I decided to choose an IKEA Alex jar to sub out 2 of the legs, and it was completely worth it. It keeps my desk more organized and clutter-free, and everything I need is always in arm's reach. Another added bonus is that it's more secure. One thing to keep in mind when you go with a longer desk is that you need to watch out for bending. I spent a few extra dollars to add a support leg in the middle back of my desk, just for long-term durability. I wouldn't risk it if I was you. Overall, just make sure the desk you pick isn't just functional today, but built to last. So you may be thinking, what about the cost? Spoiler alert, it's actually pretty reasonable. If you go through the DIY route like I did, you can save a lot of money. I did actually want a standing desk for myself at first, but building one felt expensive and honestly kind of intimidating. That's why going pre-built, like what we did with my dad, is totally worth it. I genuinely believe that FlexiSpot is one of the best bang for your buck options out there. You don't have to stress about quality, and my dad absolutely loves his desk. It saves time, worry, and money. Now, none of this might not even apply to you, and that's fine. My general advice is just think about how many hours you spend at your desk and how you want to spend that time. Spend the extra money to get a better foundation, and any extra you can add a top shelf for 3D printing, automate a second desk, or even build a dedicated tinkering area. I always think price as something you divide by time and experience. If your desk elevates your workflow and lasts for years, it's honestly not expensive at all. So you should definitely put more money into your desk. If you do want to support the channel, you can check out FlexiSpot using the link down below. No pressure. I genuinely don't want this to feel like an ad. I've been in this space for a long time. I truly do believe in what they're doing. And if you want me to be completely honest, I don't think they make the best standing desk out there. But for the price, the quality is so close that I think they're really doing something special here. This video was just my dad's experience and my own. So please drop your desk stories down below so others can get inspired. And while you're down there, you might as well hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech and productivity advice. Hopefully this video changes how you think about setups. And instead of spending all your money on peripherals, maybe you start with the desk. That's all I got. Peace.